Today, we are going to configure two domain controllers in the same domain. We already promoted first server to a domain controller, and in order to add second server to a domain, we'll have to point it to the first server IP address. So we'll go to Network Configurations, click on to IPv4, then we'll have to change the IP address to DNS server IP address to IP address of the first server. We're going to do that, then we click OK. The next step will be changing the membership from workgroup to a domain. Click Change, type domain name. Then the system will ask us to type credentials and password. Then the system will restart. Once it restarts, we will have to install Active Directory on the second server and promote it to a domain controller. We type password. It's loading. Manage, add roles and features. Click next, next. Then we choose Active Directory Domain Services. And click next and install. Then we need to promote the server to a domain controller. So we're going to add this server to an existing domain. Click next, create the password. And install. Once the system restarts and loading, we will have to check FSMO roles on both domain controllers, and we're going to do it now. Well, in order to see his roles, we need to simulate a failure of the first domain controller. We'll run a command in PowerShell. You see this, the first domain controller stopped. Now it's pretending to be deleted. Now we can see his FSMO roles. Type entity as util, roles, connections. Then we connect to a second domain controller. And we'll run maintenance command. We type C's, and we type each of 5 roles. FSMO roles, also known as a flexible single master operations, they're a mechanism in Active Directory to manage and maintain operation across a forest or domain. It makes it really important. We're about to finish seizing all of the roles, and we're gonna check FSMO roles in the command prompt again for the second domain controller. All right. Okay. Yes. And here we go. Today, we are going to configure two domain controllers in the same domain. We already promoted first server to domain controller.